If you're working on construction projects and looking to improve communication on the job site, you're probably wondering whether CoConstruct or Fieldwire is the better choice. In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both to help you decide which is truly best for your needs. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a better alternative that might be more in line with your goals. First off, let's talk about CoConstruct. CoConstruct is a comprehensive software tailored for custom home builders and remodelers. It's great for managing projects, budgets, and schedules, but it really shines when it comes to communication between team members and clients. One of its standout features is the client portal, which allows customers to see project updates in real time. This keeps clients informed, reducing the need for constant check-ins. Next thing, CoConstruct offers robust budgeting and scheduling features. You can assign tasks, track budgets, and communicate about changes all in one platform. While this is a great way to stay organized, it does require a bit of a learning curve, especially for smaller teams or those not accustomed to project management software. The user interface can feel a bit overwhelming initially, and that's a point worth considering if you're looking for something more intuitive. Now, let's look at Fieldwire. Fieldwire is a popular choice for job site management, particularly for larger construction teams. It focuses heavily on task management, drawing features, and communication. Fieldwire's real-time messaging is easy to use, and it's streamlined for construction workers to update each other on site conditions quickly. Its simplicity makes it ideal for job sites that need quick and efficient communication. However, while Fieldwire does well with job site communication, it lacks the broader project management capabilities that CoConstruct offers, particularly in terms of budgeting and client management. The limited functionality outside of task management means you'll need additional tools to cover the entire project lifecycle. It's a trade-off you'll need to weigh if you need something with a more holistic approach. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. CoConstruct tends to be on the pricier side. Its comprehensive suite of features comes at a cost, and it's priced per project. This can add up over time, especially if you're managing multiple projects simultaneously. On the other hand, Fieldwire has a more affordable pricing structure with a free version for smaller teams. But, as mentioned earlier, this comes with fewer features, so you'll need to upgrade if you want the full functionality. Finally, let's compare integrations. CoConstruct integrates well with accounting software like QuickBooks and integrates with a range of other tools like Procore. This makes it a solid choice for teams who are already using those services. Fieldwire also offers integrations, but they're more focused on job site-related tools. It may be a better fit if your primary concern is task management and communication, but less so if you want a broader system that integrates seamlessly with other parts of your business. Both CoConstruct and Fieldwire have their merits, but here's the thing. If you're focused purely on job site communication, I've tested both and found there's a better option that may better fit your needs. While CoConstruct offers a more complete solution for managing a construction project from start to finish, Fieldwire is great for straightforward communication. But if you want something that combines the best of both worlds, easy communication, task management, and project overview without being bogged down by unnecessary complexity, there's a superior choice for your needs. So, if you're looking for a better alternative, check out the first link in the description. I've personally tried all of these, and trust me, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits through our link, only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your job site communication.